Put the prunes, apricots, stem ginger and brandy, if using, into a mixing bowl. Stir to combine the ingredients. This recipe is very versatile. Experiment with your favourite chocolate, dried fruit, biscuits and nuts. Put a heatproof bowl over a pan of simmering water. Put the chocolate and butter into the bowl and allow to gently melt. Once nearly melted, stir to combine and leave to cool slightly. Put the broken biscuits into a large mixing bowl. Add the golden syrup and the melted chocolate. Strain the fruit to remove the excess liquid and add the fruit to the chocolate and biscuits. Stir well to combine all the ingredients until everything is evenly coated in the chocolate. Lightly grease a cake tin and line it with cling film, leaving enough excess hanging over the rim to wrap over the top of the cake. Use a couple of layers if needed. Spoon the cake mixture into the tin, making sure the mixture is even and smooth on top. Chill for at least 6 hours or overnight. Then cut into slices.